Hi, welcome to My Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Charlie the Centaur from Super Monsters. So take your marker and follow along with me. I'm going to start with the jawline first. So I'm just going to start here at the bottom and I'm just going to draw a nice curvy round line for the jaw, roughly about there. And then I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm just going to make two lines first. I'm going to make a little line there and I'll make another line there for the bottom of the eyes. And now we're going to close the eyes. We're going to just complete a little circle there over the top, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. There we go. And there's the two eyes. From here I want to draw the iris, so I'm just going to make a little line there, another round line, and Charlie's going to have big round eyes. There we go. Perfect. Then first of all, a light reflection. I'm going to draw one there, and I'm going to draw one on this side as well because the sun is coming from that side. And then the pupils. There's one, and there's the other one. Beautiful. And now we're going to color the pupils in. We're going to draw the ears. So I'm going to draw a nice big ear here at the side. There we go. And we're just going to draw the inner ear, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side as well. So I'm just going to draw a nice ear there on top and just bring it back like so, like that. And there we go. And there are the two ears. And now for the face. Let's complete the face. I'm just going to draw a line up. On this side I'm just going to draw another line up like that as well. And then I'm just going to draw a curvy line for the hairline on top, like this. And we're going to do the same thing here as well. There we go. Great, and there's the face. Eyebrows. Two thick eyebrows. There we go. For both eyes. That's perfect. And then we're just going to make a little dark line above the eye, and we're going to color it in. There we go. And we'll do the same thing on this side as well. We're not going to draw eyelashes because it's a boy. For the nose, just a little line there and a small line there below, like this. And then we're just going to make two round lines like that, and there is the nose and a beautiful little smile. There we go. We can maybe draw the teeth, and we're going to draw the mouth a little bit open, and we're going to color this in. Good. Now let's complete the head. So right on top I'm going to draw the hairline. I'm going to draw a big nice curve like this, and then inside I'm going to draw a smaller one like this. There we go. There we go. And then we're just going to do the same thing with the hair on this side and there as well. And this is the mane of Charlie. There we go. There we go. I'm going to draw the head now, and we're going to complete it to the ear, and on this side we'll do the same thing as well. And there's Charlie's head. Great. From here I'm going to start with a hand. And I'm going to draw the fingers. There we go. There's a hand, the arm, the front arm. There's a front arm as well. And now for his jacket. There. We're going to draw the jacket like that. And in the jacket there's a little fold there. There we go. And then it's a zipper, and then from here the other jacket, the other side of the jacket. And I'm just going to make a little fold there as well. And let's make a collar. There we go. And the zip. There we go. And there's the other zip. Beautiful. And now for the bottom of the shirt, we're going to just draw a nice button there, and with stripes, some stripes. And now the next thing I want to do, I want to actually start with the lower end of Charlie's body. So I'm going to draw the front leg. I'm going to bring it nice out like this, and then we're just going to finish the leg like this. There we go. We stop right there, and right here I'm just going to draw a little line up. Now that we have this side, we can draw the arm. So I'm going to start here on top. I'm just going to draw his arm hanging on the side of his body. Look, there we go. And maybe just draw a fold there and there as well for his shirt. And then we're going to draw the fingers. So I'm going to draw 3 fingers there, and there's a thumb. The other leg, there we go. There's the other leg. And the hooves, I'll draw the 2 front parts of the hooves. There we go. And then the belly, nice and round and not too long, just a short line there. And then the hind leg. Like that. And then on top, the back, and connect it to the hind leg as well. And there we go. There's the basic shape. Let's draw now the other hoof, or the other leg here at the back, and we're going to draw the hooves as well. There we go, and there's the hooves. And now for the tail. On top of the back here, I'm just going to draw a line there. We're going to draw another line, maybe just a little pieces of hair standing out, give our picture a little bit of interest. There we go, and there's the tail. Great, and there's Charlie. So now we're just going to draw a few little spots on Charlie. You can make it, you can draw as many spots as you want. There we go. I'm just going to draw a few there, and maybe something over the hooves here, and we will have probably the same thing there, and on this hoof we can do the same thing. And then let's make a few spots here as well. Good. And on this side maybe make a spot there, and there we go. Beautiful. And there's Charlie. I think Charlie looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? Now you can take your markers, your crayons and your colored pencils, and you can color Charlie in, and I'm sure Charlie will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please leave me a comment on what you want me to draw, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.